Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make macarons with clay. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need polymer clay in at least 2 colors, one for the shells and another for the filling. A small rolling pin and a circle cutter, about 1 inch in diameter, are also crucial. Don't forget a needle tool for detailing and a craft blade for precise cuts. Finally, have some liquid clay or strong adhesive ready for assembly, and consider a clear glaze for a professional finish. Now let's create those iconic macaron shells. Begin by conditioning your polymer clay until it's perfectly soft and easy to work with. Then roll it out evenly to a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Using your small circle cutter, press firmly to create 2 identical round pieces for each macaron. For that authentic look, gently use a needle tool to add a textured edge, simulating the delicate feet of a real macaron. With our shells ready, it's time for the delightful filling. Choose a clay color that beautifully contrasts with your shells, perhaps a vibrant pink or a rich chocolate brown. Roll this filling clay out thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. Now, use a slightly smaller cutter to create a perfect circle for the filling. Apply a tiny dab of liquid clay or strong glue to the center of one shell, then carefully position your filling circle on top, ensuring it's perfectly centered. We're almost done. Apply another small amount of liquid clay or glue to the top of your filling. Now, carefully place the second macaron shell on top, making sure it aligns perfectly with the first. Gently press the shells together to secure the filling. Finally, it's time to cure your beautiful clay macarons. Follow your polymer clay manufacturer's specific baking instructions for temperature and time. Once cooled, you can add an optional clear glaze for a lovely, realistic shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.